golden rule of the industry states that the cult movies should be best left untouched. But if the likes of ace filmmaker Karan Johar still feels the need to go ahead with it, we know he would have his own reasons. But when the reins of direction were handed over to none other than a newbie like Karan Malhotra, it's common sense that there's a big risk involved. This is why when we recently caught up with the entire cast and crew of Agnipath as they celebrated the record-breaking opening of their film, we simply had to know it from Tejo himself as to what had made him trust Karan Malhotra as a director before he backed his debut project.
There was a point I remember I was filming My Name is Khan and Karan Malhotra was my associate director on that film and in fact my hugest support on that film. And there was a point where we were doing a crowd sequence of over 500 people in Los Angeles. And there were a lot of modalities that Karan was looking over. Crowd, 3 cameras, the whole setup. We were losing light. We only had 1 hour to can many shots. And yet in the middle of that mayhem, Karan came up to me and said something in my ear. I don't think he remembers this. And in the middle of all that madness, I realized he had a creative input that was valid. Something that I was making a mistake and he corrected me. He came and told me that this is how it should be done and I had to instruct Shah Rukh thereafter according to what he said. And I realized if you can do that, in the middle of mayhem, if you can be creative, you're definitely a filmmaker. And I think that's the point I realized that I can trust him with almost anything and he will deliver. Beyond that, of course, I think that Karan's expertise as a filmmaker, something I grew to realize while he was my associate. But more than anything else, I think I always go for the good guys and I think Karan is a good guy.
Well, Karan, must say, you as a producer were definitely able to judge Karan as a director pretty well. With cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is Dipti Ranglani for Rajshri.com.